no one you got me singing all day. Girl, I wanna be with you. They don't do me the way you do.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well and I hope you guys have been good. My name is African Jewel, and as you guys can tell, today we have another Igbo class, and today is another section of Igbo names and their meanings. However, we're going to use the letter C today. So I hope you guys enjoyed the first two videos of the boy's name and the girl's name starting with A. Comment below if you liked it, and yeah, without further ado, let us start lesson 4, names starting with C for the ladies. So let us go. Okay, so the first name that we have, that Igbo girl's name starting with C, is Chetachi. So let's remember, let's repeat the name again. Chetachi. Let's start a little bit more again. Chetachi. That's good, guys. Let's start a little bit more. Chetachi. That's perfect. What does Chetachi translate to in English? In English. English. I went to school, Jane. You actually went to school. Stop this thing you're doing. Stop it. What does it translate in English? In English, it means remember God. Cheta in Igbo, it means remember. Chi is God. So it literally translates to remember God. So yeah, so people use it in a lot of circumstances, mostly when they've always been praying for a child, and when the child comes and it's a girl, and because of everything, you just have to kind of use in them Chetachi. So remember God, or kind of remember what God has done for you, but it translates to in English to remember God. So yeah, let's go on to the next name. So the next name that we have is Chi Agozie. I know that one's a little bit longer, so let's take our time with it. I said Chetachi with the first one. Chi Agozie. Let's say a few more times. Chi Agozie. Let's say a few more times. Chi Agozie. Let's say a few more times for the last time. Chi Agozie. Now put the words together. Chi Agozie. One last time. Chi Agozie. What does Chi Agozie mean? God has blessed me. It translates in English into God has blessed me. That's Chi Agozie. One last time. Chi Agozie. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. Let's go on to the next name. The next name is Chiamaka. So I actually quite like the name Chiamaka. As we all know, Chi is God. Amaka is beautiful. So if you now add those things together, what does that translate to in English, my dear? God is beautiful. God is beautiful. God is sweet. It means God is beautiful. So Chi Amaka means God is beautiful. Literally, Chi Amaka, Chi Amaka, Chi Amaka. So yeah, let's go on to the next name. The next name is Chiamanda. Let's say a few more times. Chiamanda. Let's say a few more times. Chiamanda. It's Chiamanda and then Chi. Chiamanda. What does Chiamanda mean? God will not fail me. So yeah, let's say a few more times. Chiamanda. Chiamanda, meaning God will not fail me. So yeah, let's go on to the next name. The next name is Chidera. Let's say a few more times. Chidera. A few more times. Chidera. Nickname can be Dera, but the full name is Chidera. What does Chidera mean in English? It means once God writes / says. Chidera. Chidera. Once God writes, more like not really say. So once God writes. So yeah, that's what Chidera means in English. So let's go on to the next name. The next name that we have is Chidinma. So let's say a few more times. If I look down, look at my nose. Chidinma. Let's say a few more times. Chidinma. Let's add it together now. Chidinma. Let's say it last time. Chidinma. So what does Chidinma mean in English? In English, it means God is good. Chidinma. As you guys know, Chi is God. Most of the Igbo names that starts with C is like Chi, Chiamaka, Chinedu, Chi Agozie. So all these names is usually God that it starts with. So Chidinma means God is good. So yeah, let's go on to the next name. Okay, so the next name is Chi Dubem. The nickname can be Dubem. So what does Chi Dubem mean in English? Chi Dubem in English means God lives with me. Chi Dubem. God lives with me or God leads me. It's because Chi means God, Dubem means lead me. Dubem. Yeah, Dubem like, yeah, that's what it means, lead me. So God lives in me or God leads me. So one of the two. Pick it and choose whatever translation you want for your name. And yeah, so Chi Dubem is another name you can really name a girl and a boy. It's kind of unisex, but majority of people that I know that are called Chi Dubem are girls. So yeah, so the name is Chi Dubem. Yeah, let's go on to the next name. Okay, so guys, the next name that we have is Chiagozie. Oh no, sorry, not Chiagozie. Chiagozie was the second name we said. Chigozie is the name we're on now. So Chigozie. Let's say it again. Chigozie. Let's say it one last time. Chigozie. Together, it said Chigozie. Chigozie. What does Chigozie mean in English? In English, it means bless me, Lord. Chigozie, God bless me, or bless me, Lord. That's what it means in English. So yeah, guys, let's go on to the next name. The last thing that we have for today is Chimbuchi. So such a tongue twister name. Chimbuchi. So that's another girl's name, that Igbo girl's name. Chimbuchi. Chi, as we know, is God. Bo. And then Chi again is God. Chimbuchi. Let's say it one more time. Chimbuchi. What does that translate in English? It just means my God is God. No, but yeah, my God is God. Chimbuchi, my God is God. So there you have it, guys. These are 10 names that start with C. So pardon me, 10 Igbo names that start with C. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if your name starts with C and you're Igbo, comment below. Or if there's an Igbo name that we always love that starts with C, comment below and I'll tell you guys what it means. And also, if you guys have new names that you think are cool Igbo names that starts with C, also comment below, share the meaning, and just, you know, spread the meanings and the knowledge to other people that might want to pick up the name. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys back here for Igbo names that start with C for the boys. So yeah, guys, see you guys back here soon.